So, recently, Hopegoo.com has been popping up everywhere online, a platform that claims to offer cheap travel bookings for flights, hotels, trains, and even travel packages. But here's the big question. Is Hopegoo.com actually legit or not? Well, stay with me till the end of this video because we've looked into it carefully and here's what we found. The first positive sign is from the App Store reviews. Some users mentioned it's a new platform where you can buy cheap plane tickets. The app's green interface looks clean, simple, and easy to use. When we searched for flight prices, they were surprisingly low, which is a great sign that the platform may actually offer real, competitive deals. The second positive sign is that the app is available on both the Play Store and the App Store. That makes it convenient for everyone, whether you're using Android or iPhone. It also adds a layer of trust, since apps listed on these platforms usually go through verification before approval. The third positive sign is their strong social media presence, especially on Facebook and Instagram. They post updates, respond to users, and share offers regularly. This shows they're active, transparent, and willing to communicate, which helps build confidence among users. The fourth positive sign is that Hopegoo offers a wide range of services, including flights, hotels, trains, and tickets. It's designed with travelers in mind. Simple layout, smooth navigation, and quick booking options. Everything is neatly organized, making it easy to plan your trip in just a few clicks. And finally, the fifth positive sign, they've shared complete contact details. There's an email ID, phone number, and even a physical address listed for customer support. That level of transparency shows professionalism and gives users peace of mind. So after checking all these points, the big question, is Hopegoo.com legit? Based on what we found, it really does seem like a legit and credible platform. It's available on major app stores, has active social media pages, transparent contact info, and a smooth booking system. All strong signs of a genuine service. Still, as always, it's best to check reviews and start with smaller bookings before spending big. Thanks so much for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest updates like this one.